Hi, this is Jennifer Phillips Humphreys. I'm just going to give you a quick tour of my online portfolio. I recreated it on Wix. I originally had it on Weebly and it just was really hard to maneuver. So here is my website and it's just, this is actually the My Projects page and it's got copies of my ThingLink, my whiteboard layout, my Zuno WebQuest, my lesson plans, infographics, some of my quizzes, and then some of my bookmarking sites as well. I give a brief little description about each one and then have an embedded link in there. And my homepage, which I wanted to take you to first, but did not work out that way, is right here. And it's just got one picture, a quick paragraph about me, and then I was able to edit my Animoto and put that on my homepage as well. That's it. Thanks.